Commercial vehicles are evolving rapidly. Sustainability, digitalization, and electrification drive the future, alongside smart manufacturing, autonomy, and software-defined vehicles. This transformation brings complexity, regulatory pressures, trade uncertainties, and the need for scalable engineering models. At Tata Technologies, we deliver end-to-end solutions for next-gen commercial vehicles covering the entire value chain. From benchmarking, conceptualization, design, system engineering, testing, validation, and AI-led manufacturing, we guide the journey, from product launch to enhancing customer experience. We are ranked #1 in Zinnov zones for India-based automotive and electrical vehicle ER&D services 8 years in a row. With a global presence and proximity to our customers, we collaborate with leading OEMs and Tier 1s offering local expertise paired with global delivery for seamless integration. Our success with global OEMs include our connected vehicle platform delivered a unified, future-ready solution for multiple vehicle segments for an Indian OEM. We enabled a global OEM to fast-track development of light commercial vehicles, conventional and EV platforms, strengthening its market hold. We developed a production-ready middleware for SoC-based high-performance computing, enabling AI, ML, ADAS, IVI chassis, body control, and cluster applications. We are transforming the future of commercial mobility with our comprehensive offerings.